Actress Adunni Ade cries out over her inability to locate her polling unit ahead of Saturday presidential election.
Good morning, everyone. This is 7:29 and I have been out since before 6 o'clock. Don't ask me why I'm just finding my polling unit, because I didn't think it was going to be this difficult. I have not been around. I've been ill. But anyways, I said, okay, let me set out this early in the morning looking for this polling unit. It is just 3 minutes away. It ended up being over an hour and a half journey. Guys, why does everything have to be this difficult? Why do you have to break a sweat to just find your polling unit? These are the simplest shit ever. You could easily just attach everyone's information with their polling units. Please don't ask me to check anything, because I already did. I already called that damn number on their website. It is not functioning. I have already checked the polling unit locator. It had me ripping and running, sending me to the wrong place. And then that stupid number they asked you to text that would give you your information, that's a lie. I have been texting nonstop since last week, not working. So please, can someone help me? Just tell me where my polling unit is. If I can't find it, I'm not coming out. So please, how can I find my polling unit? I asked people around, where I am, where's the polling unit? They said they don't know. So where are the polling units going to be holding tomorrow? Like, where are they?